Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I apologize for all the background noise. I wasn't expecting this, but I'm gonna have to do what I have. So this is the first video I'm filming of 2020. Hope you guys are quarantining and staying safe and all that. For those of you that are new to the channel, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if any of this helps you out. So as you guys can tell by the title, if you remember last summer, I think like almost a year ago, I had made a set of covers for my coilovers, if you can call it that. Here, let me show you. Here's my coilover. And as you guys can see, there's a somewhat of a cover on it, and that I made from like the waterproof material. So as you guys know, I live in Canada, and like the winters here are pretty bad, and the roads are covered with salt and like all nasty stuff. So for me, the coilovers were kind of expensive, so I wanted to kind of protect them. So what I did was I made those covers for them, and I also made a pair for Anthony's. If you guys want to check out his video, it will be somewhere here. But anyway, so today the goal is to clean up all of this mess over here, clean up all this, including this, and we're also going to check on the condition of the coilovers. So we're going to check if this worked at all or if it didn't do anything. I'll be unwrapping all four of them so we know like which one was good or not, which one like stayed protected. In my opinion, I think like the back two, they were kind of open at the bottom, so I think those are going to be like the worst. So that's why I'm starting with the back, but let's see what happens. Alright guys, so before we start cutting it off, I just want to mention that underneath this, we didn't just like leave it bare metal. We also tried to add in anti-seize on the thread, as well as a sort of anti-rust on the coilover itself. So hopefully that helped. Oh, and also if you guys want to see how to make this for yourself, I'll add the video up here somewhere. Alright, so I got the zip ties off. Let's see what it looks like now. Yo, so before I show you guys, go down in the comment section below and comment what you think it's gonna look like. I honestly have no idea, but let's see. Oh man, this thing's like baked on here. So you guys can see we put the Velcro up on the back, because this is the back side. It's less disgusting than the front. If you guys see over here, that's the front. And then we put the Velcro on the back. Alright, enough talking, I'll just show you guys now. Damn, yo, that looks pretty clean to me. Here, let me take a closer look and then I'll show you guys. Doesn't seem to be any rust spot. Yo, I think we're good. Let me show you guys close up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So this stuff like that looks like a bit like greasy on the coilover itself. That's the anti-rust thing that we applied. And again guys, everything will be linked down in the description below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. So we put anti-seize on the threads as well as the grease thing to protect it from rust. Yo, it looks basically new. So let me know what you guys think, if you think that was a good investment or not, or if that was a good way to protect your coilovers. 1 out of 4 is good. Let me check the other 4 and clean up all of this mess. So that looks a lot better now than before. And you guys can see that like even if I spray on the car like this, my coilover stays like kind of dry. So that's good. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on to the other wheels and we'll take a look at them. And if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and comment down below what you want to see next. Oh shit, this one's a lot worse than the back. So this is the top, and you guys can see this one got up at the top. Like, it's like stuff got inside of the bag, but the threads are good. The bottom is fine as well. So again, the top kind of got there. Honestly, what I was expecting, like it happened the other way around. I was expecting the back to be a lot worse, but it was the front that was worse. So honestly, I'll be happy if the other side is just like that. If not, then we'll see. Yo, why did I put so many zip ties here, bro? I don't even want to take that off right now. Oh my god. Whatever, gotta do it for the video. Alright, yo, y'all ready? Okay, 3 out of 4, good condition. Like basically like new. Okay, so here's a closer look. Again, it basically looks like it's new, except like I put anti-seize on the threads, as well as the anti-rust over the whole shock body. Alright guys, it's kind of getting late, but like it's hella dark in here, so I'm gonna use my flash. Alright, so last strut, holy shit man, this one, like I used so many zip ties, and one thing that I realized about being lowered is I'm gonna have to raise this car, bro. I'm gonna have to raise this front at least 1 inch, because look at this shit. That's the outside, and that's the inside. It's getting eaten, bro, look at this. What the... But anyways, yeah, so let me just take that out and let's see how the last one did. This one doesn't look as bad, like up there. It doesn't look like it penetrated inside the shock, but let's see. Alright, let me show you guys close up. This one kind of got messed up a little bit. So you guys can see at the top, there's like this little like rocks or grit. I don't know what you call that. Like some of it kind of got in. So some ended up on the thread, but it's mostly covered with the anti-seize and the grease, so it should be easy to clean up. But overall, it held pretty well considering that some got in. So this is the top. Of course, it got kind of like, well, this is like just grease and like little grit particle mixed up. So I don't think it's that big of a deal. Oh, you guys can see here, like that's the grease. Damn, some of it's still on here. Fresh. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish up cleaning this and then putting it back in there, and then I'm going to clean the wheel well over here so that when I wash the car this week I won't have to take the wheels off again. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'm going to be uploading every 2 weeks, which I've been doing for a while now. I'm sure you guys noticed, but yeah, make sure you subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys next one. Later.
Bye.